The Spectrum Xumo Box can be reset in two main ways: a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot or soft reset simply restarts the device, clearing temporary memory, and is useful for minor issues like freezing. To reboot, unplug the box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in, or navigate to Settings, System, Restart using the remote. A factory reset or hard reset restores the device to its original settings, erasing all user data and preferences. This is recommended for more persistent problems. To factory reset, go to Settings, System, Factory Reset, or Advanced Settings Reset, confirm, and enter your PIN. Default is 000. The process takes 5 to 10 minutes. After a factory reset, the Xumo box will prompt you to reactivate it with your Spectrum account login. Use the on-screen keyboard or the Spectrum mobile app to enter your credentials. Ensure you have a valid Spectrum account and an active internet connection for this process, which typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. If you encounter an invalid account error or other issues, contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357 or visit spectrum.net/support. A common problem during reactivation is Wi-Fi connectivity, which can often be resolved by ensuring your router is functioning correctly. Post-reset, the Spectrum app integrates with an AI-driven recommendation engine, personalizing your viewing experience.